Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Maths Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank, so he deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. So here we need to find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta as well as the rate of interest per annum. First, write down the given details. Given the Mr. Gupta deposited the amount 2500 per month. So Mr. Gupta deposited rupees 2500 rupees per month, and the timeline is the 2 years. So write down that as well. So Mr. Gupta deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. So 2 years is equals to 24 months. Now find the total amount he deposited in 2 years. The total amount deposited in 2 years, which is 24 months, is 24 times of 2500, because per month he used to deposit 2500. So in 24 months, 24 times of 2500. Into 2500. If we multiply 24 and 2500, we'll get 60,000 rupees. So he deposited rupees 60,000 in 2 years. So the maturity amount he got is 67,500. Now find the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. So which is the maturity amount minus the amount he deposited in 2 years. So 67,500 minus 60,000, so which is 7,500 rupees. This is the interest he got after 2 years. Now find the interest rate per annum. So interest rate per annum, the maturity, the value is equals to P into N plus P into N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12. So we have to use the maturity value formula, which is P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into the rate. So here the P is the principal amount, which is 2,500 rupees per month, and A is the final amount, which is 67,500, and then N is the number of months, which is 24. Now just substitute all these values and find the rate which is R. So 67,500 equals to P, which is 2,500 into 24 plus 2,500 into 24 into 24 plus 1, which is 25, divided by 2 times of 12, which is 24, into R by 100. Now simplify this. See, 24 divided by 24 cancels out, and 2,500 times of 24 is the total amount he deposited in 2 hours, which is 60,000 plus 2,500 into 25 into R, the rate. So R by 100. Now subtract 60,000 on both sides. So before that, let's simplify this. So 2,500 divided by 100 becomes 25, and then subtract 60,000 on both sides. So we'll get 7,500 equals to 25 times of 25 is 625. So 7,500 equals to 625 into R. R is the rate. So just divide 625 on both sides. So if we divide 7,500 by 625, we'll get 12. So R equals to 12. So rate of interest is 12% per annum. I hope you understand this question, but thanks for watching.